back. I know it's been a minute. So I just want to first of all say thank you so very much to each and every one of you that personally reached out, whether it was here on YouTube, text message, email, DMs on Instagram, to check on me and my family during Hurricane Dorian. I appreciate that more than you will ever know. Now, luckily we were just lucky. Not knowing what was going to happen with the storm after seeing the devastation in the Bahamas, and my heart goes out to each and every person there. Like I said, we were very lucky. We actually didn't even lose power. It flickered one time. It was not at all what we expected, but it still kind of took a toll on me because we didn't know what to expect. And then I think the effects of the storm, like the different barometric pressure and things like that, sent my RA and fibromyalgia just to a point of I needed to take a break. So that is why I have been a little MIA lately, and I know I've posted on my community tab, and again, your comments and everything mean so much to me. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for all of your kind words. But I'm back at it today. You will probably see over the next few days quite a few videos where I am in the same brown top, same makeup and everything, because I have a stack here that I have got to bust out because I've got so many boxes coming and then this huge stack already here. So I hope you're ready. I hope you have time, and I hope you want to watch. So anyway, thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, review videos, live streams, giveaways, and we do still currently have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on, as well as the thrift bag giveaway where you could win a brand new Betsy Johnson backpack. They do both end on the 22nd of this month. And we have the makeup and skincare where there's 2 winners that will end, I don't even remember now, but it's sometime in October. It's one of the first days in October that ends. See, I don't edit. I think something just fell in the closet. Who knows? But anyway, so we have those giveaways. But as you can see, today's video is the summer Walmart beauty box. Now, Walmart beauty box, for those of you that do not know, is actually a free subscription. You just pay $5 quarterly. So every spring, summer, fall, and winter, you pay the $5 to cover shipping, and they send you samples, sometimes full-size items. They do have a couple different options that you can choose from. You can choose to get the classic box, which they say is for 35 and over, or the Trendsetter for 35 and younger. So each box may be a little bit different, and even in the same category, each box may be a little different. So, but for $5, it's always, to me, worth it. It's, you know, it's only $5 and you get to try some things. Sometimes, yes, it's foil packets or whatever, but hey, you get to try something. Anyway, like I said, this is the summer 2019 box. That is the one thing I personally do not really understand with Walmart beauty box. Like I said, I mean, I think it's a great box, and for the $5, you definitely get your value. I just wish that instead of sending at the very end of the season, like it's obviously September, I have my fall backdrop up, but I'm just now getting my summer Walmart beauty box. So I wish they kind of would do with their shipping what other quarterly boxes do and send at the very beginning of the season, but it is what it is. So let's get in here and see. I did just take off the plastic wrap. It had my address on it, and I'm not trying to share that. So I did take that off, but let's get in here and see what I got. And I do have the Trendsetter box. So again, this is the summer 2019 Walmart Trendsetter beauty box. So we open it, and there is some yellow tissue paper, and it says, "Hello, sunshine." And it always tells you that you can rate and review, and it gives you the website if you want to win like a $100 gift card. I'll be honest, I never do it. But we peel back. Oh, well. So it looks quite full, actually. And it felt kind of heavy, so I was wondering, I was like, it feels kind of packed in there. Sorry, my hair is like really annoying me today. All right, so we're just gonna start. Now this item I actually received in my spring box. And this is the Done-in-One Brow Pomade, Salon Perfect. So it comes with the pomade here and then the brush and spoolie, but it's in dark brown. So they don't really have much of a profile to go by. So this obviously will not work for me. So this we put to the side for a future giveaway for one of you guys. So, but it's still a good product. I mean, that alone honestly probably cost at least the $5. So we're off to a pretty good start. We do have another repeat item, but I'm not mad at it at all. It's the Trendsetter Volumizing Between Washes Dry Shampoo. I love dry shampoo, and this is a great size. I have quite a few full-size dry shampoos, but this is the perfect size to put into like my overnight bag or something for a weekend getaway. So that's where that guy will go. And then we have from Bic, this is the Soleil Sensitive 3-blade razor with Comfort Shield. So we got a full-size razor. That's pretty good. It says for a sensitive shave. Okay. Effortlessly glides for silky smooth skin. Soothing moisture strip enriched with aloe vera. Okay. Not mad at that at all. But this kind of goes to why, obviously this is a summer box. They're sending a razor to shave your legs because, you know, you're going to be out and about and wearing shorts and bathing suits and things like that. And I just kind of feel like if we had had that at the beginning of the season, it would have been great. I mean, I'm going to be completely honest and tell you guys, I probably don't shave my legs as often as I need to. And I am that girl that will do No Shave November. You best believe it, because I'm in leggings and stuff anyway. So that may have been TMI, but anyway, then we have from Garnier Fructis, the damage repairing 1 minute hair mask, the papaya with papaya extract. See, this is what happens when you don't film for a week. You can't talk. So I'll put this to the side for a future giveaway. I have quite a few hair masks, so hopefully one of you guys can use it. I've tried this before and it does work really well. And then we still have 3 more things in here. This is like seriously probably one of the best. This is Teleties, the strong grip, no rip hair tie that gives back. It's water resistant, strong grip, looks cute in your hair and on your wrist, reduces headaches, damage, and crease in your hair. It says Teleties are completely shrinkable. Simply place them in a dish filled with hot water and watch the Teleties shrink back to its original size. Okay. With each Teleties purchase, you help improve the lives of people and families affected by hereditary breast, ovarian, and related cancers. Well, that to me is fantastic. Anything that gives back, I am all for. So we got a hair tie. I think those are amazing causes. So I'm actually very happy to have that and know that that company gives back. Then we have from Neutrogena, this is new. This is a blackhead eliminating strip to scrub salicylic acid acne treatment. There's one of them in there. So it's a nose strip, which I love these things, but it says, after washing face, dry hands, then gently remove strip from package and paper backing. Apply strip to wet nose and with dry fingers and leave on for 1 to 2 minutes. Wet the strip and massage into skin to scrub away blackheads. Rinse thoroughly. Some of the strip may stick to damp hands. No need to worry. Next time use with dry hands. So it's like, it says it's a dissolving strip. That's interesting. I'm actually kind of excited to try this. So it's almost like a strip that with the water is gonna melt into soap. And then our final item in here is another full-size item. This is from Ballistics. Enhancement Series Lip Vibrance, a touch of color and shimmer that really last, rich moisturization and protection, SPF 15, built-in mirror. So that's obviously full size, and there is the built-in mirror. Huh, I'm all about a good thing, and then this with a little bit of color. This is great. So I think this was a really good box. $5, absolutely. So we got this new product to try, which I'm actually really excited about. This full-size Blistex, which I'm really excited about. This hair tie, I love that this gives back. I think that is amazing. We got a full-size razor, good size dry shampoo, and I actually really do like this formula. And then for future giveaways, we have the brow pomade and a hair mask from Garnier Fructis. So I think this was a great Walmart beauty box. What did you guys think? Do you get the Walmart beauty box? Let me know down below what you received. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.